Eating healthy is important. It's the foundation of a vibrant and energetic life. When you choose fresh, wholesome foods, you're giving your body the essential nutrients it needs to function at its best. It gives your body what it needs. A balanced diet includes a variety of foods that provide the right mix of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. Whole grains, lean proteins, and colorful vegetables are key components of a nutritious meal. Food is fuel for your everyday activities. Whether you're working, playing, or simply going about your daily routine, the food you eat powers your body and mind. Think of it as giving your car the best petrol. Just as a car runs smoothly on high-quality fuel, your body performs optimally when you feed it nutritious foods. You wouldn't put anything in your car to make it run, would you? Similarly, you should be mindful of what you put into your body. Avoiding junk food and choosing healthier options can make a significant difference in how you feel and perform. Just like a car needs the right fuel, our bodies need nutritious foods. Preparing meals with fresh ingredients ensures that you're getting the best possible nutrients. These foods give us energy to work and play. They support our physical activities, from running and jumping to practicing yoga and other forms of exercise. They help us think clearly and stay focused. Nutritious foods are not just about physical health, they also enhance our mental clarity and concentration. When we eat well, we feel our best. Good nutrition leads to better moods, higher energy levels, and an overall sense of well-being. Eating healthy is not about strict diets. It's about making sustainable choices that you can enjoy and maintain over the long term. It's about making smart choices about the food you eat. Reading nutrition labels and being aware of what goes into your meals can help you make better decisions. It's about enjoying delicious food that makes you feel good. Healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or tasteless. It can be a delightful and satisfying experience. Remember, food should be both nourishing and enjoyable. Embrace the journey of healthy eating and discover the joy it brings to your life. Eating healthy has many benefits. It gives you more energy throughout the day. You'll feel less tired and sluggish. This can make a big difference in your daily life. Good food also helps with your mood. It can even help with stress. Eating a balanced diet can help you feel happier and more relaxed. Healthy eating can help you manage your weight. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good. Eating nutritious foods can help you maintain a healthy weight and feel more confident. Eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated. It can be simple and enjoyable with just a few mindful changes to your daily routine. Start by making small changes to your diet. For instance, replace unhealthy snacks like chips and cookies with fruits, nuts, or yogurt. These small swaps can significantly improve your overall health. Swap sugary drinks for water or unsweetened tea. Sugary beverages are a major source of empty calories and can lead to weight gain and other health issues. These small changes can make a big difference. You'll start to feel more energetic, your mood will improve, and you'll be on your way to a healthier lifestyle. Try to include more fruits and vegetables in your meals. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body needs to function properly. Aim for at least 5 portions a day. This can include fresh, frozen, canned, or dried fruits and vegetables. The more variety, the better. Variety is key, so choose different colors for a range of nutrients. Each color represents different vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for your health. Choose whole grains over refined grains. Whole grains contain more nutrients and fiber which help keep you full longer and support digestive health. This means opting for brown rice instead of white rice, for example. Brown rice retains more of its natural nutrients compared to white rice. Whole grains are packed with fiber, which is good for digestion. Fiber helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly and can prevent issues like constipation. Remember, you don't have to change everything overnight. Start with one small change at a time. Maybe try adding a piece of fruit to your breakfast. These small changes add up over time. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen. Try new healthy recipes. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and make healthier choices. It can be fun and rewarding. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Choose foods that make you feel energized and satisfied. Eating healthy is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous process of learning and adapting to what your body needs. It's about making sustainable changes that you can stick with. Small, consistent steps can lead to significant improvements over time. It's about finding what works best for you and your body. Everyone's journey is unique, and it's important to listen to your own needs. Don't be too hard on yourself. It's okay to indulge occasionally. Balance is key. It's okay to have a treat now and then. Enjoying your favorite foods in moderation can be part of a healthy lifestyle. Enjoy the process of making healthier choices. Experiment with new recipes and discover the joy of cooking with fresh ingredients. Celebrate your progress along the way. Every small victory is a step towards a healthier you. Remember, you are in control of your health. Your choices today shape your well-being tomorrow. By making mindful choices about the food you eat, you can improve your overall well-being. Mindfulness in eating can lead to better digestion and satisfaction. Start your journey to a healthier, happier you today. Embrace the changes and enjoy the benefits of a balanced lifestyle.